In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in a rich text module in HubSpot. Start by opening your browser, heading to your favorite search engine, and typing HubSpot. From the results, click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot portal. On the left-hand sidebar, hover to reveal the navigation and look for the Content section. This is where your site assets live and where you'll find the tools to edit your pages. Next, click Website Pages. You'll see a list of sites or pages you can edit. Choose the website or specific page you want to work on. This opens the page editor, which has your preview in the main area and a panel on the left where you can add or configure modules. In the left side panel, click the plus icon to add a new module. From the available categories, select Text. Within Text, find the Rich Text module. Drag and drop that rich text module into the exact spot on your page layout where you want your content to appear. Think of modules as building blocks. Placing the rich text block gives you a flexible area for headings, paragraphs, links, images, and of course tables. Click into that new rich text area so its toolbar appears. In the toolbar, look for the Insert option. Click Insert, then choose Table. HubSpot will present a quick selector where you can pick the size of your table. Hover over the grid to choose the number of rows and columns you need. A good rule of thumb is to start with the minimum you require. You can always expand later if your content grows. As soon as you make your selection, the table will appear instantly inside your rich text content. From here, you can click into any cell to start typing. If you're organizing data, keep your column labels short and clear so the table remains easy to scan. For readability and accessibility, consider keeping contrast high, using concise labels, and avoiding overly complex layouts. Simpler tables tend to look better on smaller screens too. If your content changes, you can reselect or resize the table from the same toolbar area and adjust your layout as needed. Use consistent formatting within cells, and keep numeric data aligned for a clean, professional look. That's all there is to it. Navigate to your page, add a rich text module, go to Insert, choose Table, pick your rows and columns, and your table appears right away in your content. With this approach, you can quickly present information in a structured, readable way right inside HubSpot's page editor.